What are the key strategies for beginners that are looking to invest in the stock market? The simplest one is dollar cost averaging, right? If you're someone that's at work all the time and you're not someone that's interested in really learning the ins and outs of the stock market, which can sometimes take years, the best thing for you to do would be to dollar cost average in an ETF, something really stable like QQQ, SPY, VTI, VOO, some generalized index fund or ETF, and every single month you're putting a certain amount in there. So that way, if the market's up or down, if you're investing every single month, the stock market tends to go up over time. That is probably the best way for a beginner to really start investing in the stock market. Number two, if you're interested in actually learning about the ins and outs of the stock market and you really want to start handling your own portfolio, start paper trading. That's not a strategy per se, but it's just some simple advice. If you start paper trading and start learning how to buy and sell stocks, learning how to buy and sell options, then you're going to feel more comfortable handling your own portfolio if you decide to go away from the broker route.